Telugudesam Party supported the Finance Bill 2017 when it was passed in Lok Sabha last week, and we reject the recommendations made by Rajya Sabha. Having said that, I'd just like to make 2 points, Madam. One is, the Telugudesam Party supports transparency in political and election funding, and we look forward to working together with the government towards legislation and electoral reforms that lead towards this transparency. The second thing I want to say, Madam, income tax returns are being filed by just about 3% of our population. But to my understanding, only about 1% is actually paying income tax. So for a country like India, to have just 1% of our population paying income tax, we cannot sustain ourselves in this manner. If we look at China, the figure is at 8%, Madam. 8% of the Chinese population is actually paying income tax. So we need to work towards how do we actually increase our tax net. While compliance is important, expanding the tax net is equally, if not more important, Madam. Madam, just a couple of suggestions I have on how taxpayers can be recognized and motivated. One suggestion is that perhaps we can consider issuing a privilege card for taxpayers who are paying tax above a certain limit. This can give them priority for railway bookings. It could give them access to airport lounges. It could give them subsidized medical facilities, such type of things to motivate more people to pay the right amount of tax. Another thing that we could offer is some type of insurance, perhaps something like 2 times the gross income for Mediclaim or 10 times the gross income for life insurance, something of that sort, Madam. And we could also think about introducing a pension after 65 on the basis of tax paid by the taxpayer over his lifetime, Madam. So that's one suggestion, Madam. Second suggestion, Madam, on demonetization. I didn't have a chance to make the recommendation earlier, but it's a novel idea which I'd like the Finance Minister to please consider, is for large currency notes. We have already suggested from the Telugudesam Party that 2,000 rupee notes be withdrawn and perhaps 200 rupee notes can be introduced in its place. We still make that recommendation. But in addition to that, why don't we consider the idea of an expiry date on the banknotes, Madam? All large currency banknotes can have an expiry date so that the hoarding of the cash can be eliminated and there will be ongoing demonetization on a regular basis that can be introduced, Madam. So please consider expiry date on large currency banknotes, Madam. With those few suggestions, we reject the recommendations made by the Rajya Sabha. Thank you, Madam.
इसके लिए मोदी सरकार चुप्पी क्यों साधी है, मैं पूछना चाहता हूं। हर चीज को ट्वीट करते हैं, हर चीज पर वो बात करते हैं, इस पे क्यों चुप्पी साधे हैं, इस पे क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्या बात है?